Hi students, I am Prithvi Raj, maths teacher, TNPL Metric Higher Secondary School. Today we go to see the tricks for memorizing trigonometric integrals. First we go to derive the integration of single functions, that is integration of sin x and cos x. Consider derivation of sin x, d by dx of sin x equal to, that is differentiation of sin x equal to cos x. Next we take the integration on both sides with respect to x. Integration d by dx of sin x with respect to x. So that is dx, that is equal to integration of cos x. This is with respect to x, dx. So d by dx of sin x equal to cos x. Both sides we take the integration with respect to x. See here we cancel this both the dx, and next integration and differentiation are inverse process. So cancel this integration and differentiation. Finally we get sin x. So sin x equal to integration of cos x into dx. This implies integration of cos x into dx equal to sin x. This is a indefinite integral, so we add one constant c. See here, differentiation of sin x equal to cos x, integration of cos x equal to sin x, that is integration of cos x equal to sin x. In similar manner we get the next formula, differentiation of cos x equal to minus sin x. Next we tell integration of minus sin x dx equal to, integration of minus sin x dx equal to cos x. Cos x, then this implies we take only sin x, integrand is sin x, integration of sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c. Indefinite integral, so we add one constant c. These are the integration of single functions. Integration of sin x is minus cos x, integration of cos x is sin x. Next we go to see the double functions, integration of double functions. See these two formulas. Integration of double functions. Just write these tricks: secant, secant, tan, cosecant, minus cosecant, cot. Consider the differentiation of tan and cot. See, d by dx of tan x equal to, differentiation of tan x equal to secant into secant, secant square x. Secant square x. This implies differentiation of tan x equal to secant square, integration of secant square x equal to tan x. So integration is the reversal process of differentiation. So this implies integration of secant square x into dx equal to tan x plus constant, because this is an indefinite integral. So integration of secant square x equal to, see here this is the integrand secant square x, this is the double function secant x and secant x. See here integration of secant x into secant x equal to tan x, that is integration of secant square x equal to tan x. Next differentiation of cot x equal to, derivation of cot x equal to, derivation of tan x is secant square x, derivation of cot x equal to minus cosecant into cosecant, that is minus cosecant square x. Next we tell the similar manner, this implies integration of minus cosecant square x, that is integration of minus cosecant square x into dx equal to cosecant into minus cosecant, we get cot. So So integration of minus cosecant squared x into dx equal to cot x. So next this implies this minus go to the opposite side. Integration of cosecant squared x equal to minus cot x plus this is the indefinite integral, so we have one constant c. See these are two formulas. Integration of secant squared x into dx equal to tan x plus c. Integration of cosecant squared x into dx equal to minus cot x plus c. Next we go to see the last two important formulas. Next we see the last two formulas. Consider the derivation of secant x, that is equal to differentiation of secant x equal to remaining two terms secant x into tan x. Secant x into tan x. Next see the reversal order. Integration of secant x into tan x equal to secant x. This implies integration of secant x tan x dx equal to, so integration of tan x secant x equal to the remaining value is secant, so right here. So integration of secant x tan x equal to secant x plus constant c. Next derivation of cosecant x. Cosecant x equal to minus cosecant x into cos x minus cosecant x into cot x, cot x. Ideal cos x, that is a cot x. Okay, next integration of minus cosecant x cot x equal to, that is integration of cot into minus cosecant is equal to cosecant. This implies, similarly we tell, that is integration of minus cosecant x into cot x equal to, that is equal to see here or see this table, that is integration of cot x minus cosecant x equal to cosecant x. Cosecant x. This implies finally we write this negative value minus go to opposite side, we get integration of cosecant x cot x equal to minus cosecant x. So this is indefinite integral, so we have one constant c plus c. So that's all. See here I get integration of tan x secant x equal to secant x. Integration of cot x cosecant x equal to minus cosecant x. Next integration of secant x into secant x, that is secant squared x. Integration of secant squared x equal to tan x. Next integration of cosecant squared x equal to this minus go to opposite side minus cot x. So use this table, you can tell the four formulas. Integration of secant x tan x is secant x. Integration of cot x cosecant x is minus cosecant x. That's all. First two are the single functions. Next four formulas are double functions. These six formulas are very, very important. We go to use these formulas in exercise 2.4. See carefully and memorize strongly. Thank you. All six formulas. First two is single function, integration with single functions. Next to four formulas, integration with double functions. Secant x into secant x, cosecant x and cosecant x, secant x tan x, cosecant x cot x. These four are integration with the double functions. So this answer side you see derivation of these odd functions, you get the integrand value. Here integration of these all is you get the derivation value. And you see the common thing is the co-functions get the minus value. See here cos x, front you put minus, cot x, front of cot x you put minus value, and cosecant x, front of cosecant x you put minus. So carefully see this thing. you go to memorize these 6 formulas, then only you can solve the problems. Thank you.